Social sense. Crisis Resolutions Training Episode 4. In Episode 4, the focus is on how practicing good ways of sense can help us be more flexible, adaptable, and able to handle situations with greater ease. Having a good sense of things can be beneficial in many ways. It can result in a more meaningful and ethical way of living. Good ways of sense genesis. Good ways of sense are methods related to our sense. They express the fourth level of our flexibility, sensibility, sustainability, accessibility, and capability. For personal practice, an example is having the flexibility to detach oneself from emotions or circumstances and maintain an objective view. For professional practice, an example is having the sustainability to have capacity, magnitude, coverage, formation, and convertibility. For family practice, an example is having the capability of ethical conduct, effort, resolve, view, and livelihood. For social practice, an example is having the accessibility to courage, receptiveness, altruism, truthfulness, and wisdom. Good times of sense practice. Having good times as a result of practicing sense involves being able to detach oneself from emotions or circumstances and maintain an objective view, and having the flexibility of detachment. Having good times as a result of investigating sense involves having the sensibility of hearing, touch, taste, vision, and smell. This can lead to good times as we are able to experience the world around us in a more profound and meaningful way. Good life of sense mimesis. Having a good life as a result of inheriting sense involves having the capability of ethical conduct, effort, resolve, view, and livelihood. This can lead to a good life as we are able to live our lives in a more meaningful and ethical way.